The overall goal of this procedure is to measure the terminal settling velocities of spherical particles in unbounded and bounded surfactant-based viscoelastic fluids of varying rheology. This is accomplished by preparing surfactant-based viscoelastic fluids of different concentrations to obtain a wide range of rheological properties. The second step is to measure the settling velocities of particles in unbounded fluids in beakers of diameter much larger than the particle over a wide range of fluid rheological properties. Next, the settling velocity of the particles is measured in the presence of parallel walls in a parallel plate experimental cell made of plexiglass. The final step is to measure the rheological properties of the fluids using a rheometer. The properties are correlated with the settling velocities of particles. Ultimately, the experiment helps in measuring the settling velocities in unbounded and bounded viscoelastic surfactant fluids as a function of their rheological properties. The data can be the basis for quantifying the influence of fluid elasticity on settling velocities.
Visual demonstration of this method is essential to ensure that other labs can reproduce what we are demonstrating in our experiments. It is extremely important to get good accuracy in these measurements for many practical applications such as hydraulic fracturing, manufacturing in the pharmaceutical industry, semiconductor processing, and so on.
Accurate experimental results for particle settling in viscoelastic fluids can further form the basis for validating numerical simulations that calculate the effect of elasticity on the drag on particles.